let's talk about something that is forming right now at the heart of the AI world. If you've been active recently on AI Twitter or in the open source community, you've probably seen one name over and over again: OpenClaw. This project is expanding at an incredible speed, and it promises a world where AI no longer just responds, but acts. People don't just want chatbots anymore, they want agents that can manage their daily schedules, research competitors, or even build a full application from scratch, without direct human involvement. This is the core promise of OpenClaw, transforming AI from a passive tool into an active agent. But behind this excitement, there is an important reality that few people are talking about. Current versions of OpenClaw are often run on personal hardware or unmanaged virtual machines. This means you are essentially exposing your credentials, sensitive data, and even private code bases to systems that were not designed with enterprise-level security in mind. These code bases are evolving rapidly, but their security standards have not yet fully matured. In simple terms, they give you incredible power, but without a reliable layer of protection. At Abacus AI, we knew from the beginning that this agentic wave is real, and that the future is moving toward autonomous agents. But we also knew that without a secure infrastructure, this technology could never be used at real scale. That's why we introduced SecureOfAI, a solution that preserves the power of OpenClaw while placing it inside a secure, controlled environment, ready for professional use. This is OpenClaw, but in a version that is trustworthy, stable, and ready for real-world deployment. Why Abacus AI is the secure evolution of OpenClaw. This is where the real difference begins, at the level of where the agent actually lives. Standard OpenClaw implementations typically run locally, which is suitable for experiments and personal projects, but not sufficient for professional environments. DeepAgent in Abacus AI runs inside a SOC 2 Type 2 certified infrastructure. All data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Access control systems ensure that each agent can only access the information it truly needs, nothing more. But security is only part of the advantage. DeepAgent is not just a simple model, it is an intelligent orchestrator. This system can switch between different models to deliver the most effective results. What has been built is essentially a true control center for AI agents, where each agent runs inside an isolated environment. You can monitor its activity, inspect logs, and even observe its reasoning process. This level of visibility and control is something you simply don't get with typical open source implementations. One of the best examples is building an intelligent life coach bot inside Telegram. You simply make the request, and DeepAgent designs and deploys the entire system on its own. It connects to Telegram, configures webhooks, builds the conversation logic, and implements the memory system, all automatically. The result is not just a simple chatbot, but an intelligent system that remembers past conversations and continues interactions with true continuity. This agent can gather fresh information from the web, deliver up-to-date responses, and respond responsibly even in sensitive situations. Each user receives a personal experience with independent memory and context. This is no longer just answering questions. It is creating a meaningful and continuous interaction. Such a system can manage multiple users simultaneously while maintaining a personalized experience for each one. Another powerful example is automatic bug fixing in a real code base. When a ticket is created in Jira, DeepAgent can read it, analyze the code base, and design the appropriate solution. It then creates a new branch, fixes the code, generates a pull request, and even notifies the team through Slack. All of this happens without direct human involvement. This means AI is not just executing, it is understanding, planning, and acting. DeepAgent can also analyze pull requests and identify potential problems. This includes detecting bugs, identifying security issues, analyzing performance, and suggesting improvements. This analysis is not superficial. It is based on a real understanding of the structure and behavior of the code. Such a system can act as an intelligent reviewer that is always available. In workplace environments, DeepAgent can analyze messages and notifications and extract important information. It understands context, identifies tasks, and delivers summaries that are truly actionable. Instead of being overwhelmed by notifications, you receive only the information that matters. This leads to higher productivity without increasing workload stress. One of the most powerful capabilities is the ability to build complete applications. DeepAgent can create a full application with authentication, dashboards, and decision logic. It can analyze user requests, make intelligent decisions, and execute actions, from sending emails to updating external systems. All of these steps happen within a coordinated workflow. When you step back and look at all these capabilities together, you begin to see a fundamental shift. AI is no longer just a tool, it is becoming an independent system capable of thinking, planning, and acting. OpenClaw opened the door, but DeepAgent has transformed that opening into a secure and reliable infrastructure. This is the difference between an interesting experiment and a production-ready technology. We are entering a new era where AI can manage not just simple tasks, but entire systems. This is not just technological progress. It is a transformation in how we interact with technology itself. Future is not just about AI helping humans. The future is about AI that can independently create, manage, and execute. And that is the future DeepAgent is building.